Hi, this is Priyanka from Madhura Vogue. A lot of you who follow me on Instagram know that I am on a journey to explore both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages across India. Today, I am sitting in my comfort of my home and gonna do the tasting for Bira White. Yes, this Bira White 91 has been making some strides across India, and all of us who know and love craft beers must have tasted this, but for those who still haven't, I'm gonna do a tasting video. So starting with Bira, which is a wheat beer here. Generally the craft beers are made from wheat or rice, or a lot of the newer microbreweries also add a lot of fruits to the beers these days to give the taste of the season. Mango, I'm sure a lot of us have tried mango beers, craft beers across. But when it comes to bottled beers, Bira 91 has been one of the most popular one across India. So without further ado, let's start with this tasting. Okay, did I shake the can a lot during my speech? Did I? Wow, just pouring some. Cheers! So, as you can see, the appearance of Bira 91, the beer, has a very hazy, thing. If you can see, I mean, the beer definitely is made from wheat, so there is going to be a haze, and it's a white beer. So while the haze is there, you can see it's not as dark as the stouts. Now going to the aroma. It's written on the can that it has orange peel in it, and definitely I can smell some amazing orange. Although I can't smell any of the coriander, which is also one of the ingredients being used, but the smell is definitely very fruity. Now that I have done the aroma test, I definitely think it's gonna have a very fruity flavor to it. So let's give it a try and see if it comes accurately to the aroma. No, it's not very fruity. As it goes inside on the throat, definitely it makes you feel that it is slightly sweeter than the darker beers. Now in the second sip, I can taste the coriander. Oh my god, it is so refreshing. I can't believe it. For the heat that Mumbai has right now, 2 sips and I'm already feeling very refreshed. Wow, this does taste great. So while this is not a branded video, I'm not being paid by Bira, but I definitely can tell you from all the different craft beers I've tasted, Bira White is definitely very smooth. It is citrusy and perfect for the heat outside, because taking a sip, I felt really refreshed by it. So coming to the craft beers you've been trying, do leave us in the comments below if you have tried recently any of the craft beers across in the country, and if you would like us to go and visit any of the microbreweries across in Mumbai. We would love to hear from you guys. So do leave us a comment below. Keep following Madhura Vogue, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to hear from you guys very soon which other craft beer you would like us to review next. Bye.